Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Kling.ai so that you can get the best results. So let's dive in. Okay, so we're jumping into app.kling.ai.com, and this is the interface that you will see once you have actually signed up and signed in. Alright, so what we can actually do here on the bottom bar, it'll show you image, video, avatar, and effects. Now these are all things that you can go and explore. The main thing over here is image generation and then video generation. And there's two ways that you can do video generation. It'll be text to video or image to video, depending on how you would like to generate your videos. But if you go down over here, there is a feed of what people are making and how they're making it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and click on something. Now, I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good, okay? And you can see that there are also some comments and there are some details over here. Now, if you go over here, you can see that there is actually the prompt. And if you would like to use this prompt, you can actually just copy the prompt and then you can paste it into the text box and create a video just like this. But then you can also change the style. You can change other details of the camera motion or even the car detail. So let's just go back here. And here on the left hand side, you will see again your assets, images, videos, and then Kling Lab. This is where you keep all your stuff. So let's go and click on video over here. And this is where we will start to create. So I've got something in the queue over here. The only downside is it does take a little bit of time if you haven't upgraded to the Pro version. But ultimately, it'll just show you around and it's quite cool. So we're going to do text to video just for fun. And here, let's say that you're not entirely sure about your prompt. So let's just say a red BMW E30 cruising down a dusty desert road. Now what you can do is tap on DeepSeek. What it's going to do is it's going to enhance your prompt. So from this simple prompt, you can see now that it has actually created a whole prompt for me. Okay, and this will cost you 15 credits if you see right over here. So you can actually just go ahead, you can click on use script, all right, and you'll be able to take this, paste it in over here. So let's go and have a look at which one is best. Okay, so I've used this one over here, and here you can also put in camera movements. So wherever you're putting your cursor, let's say I'm going to put it in right over here. Okay, you'll see this little icon over here. It says inspiration and presets. Let's go ahead and click on that. And here you can check lenses. You can see basic camera movements, and whatever you click on, it'll actually just insert it. So let's just click on that. You'll see it says the camera zooms in right over here. You can see you can also change camera movement speed, shot type, light and shadow, frame, and then your atmosphere. Okay, and this will apply now to the entire prompt. You can then also go ahead and add sound effects as well, which is free for now, which is awesome. And then you have some other options. So you have standard or professional. That would just make your generation a bit quicker. You have the duration. We're going to make it 10 seconds. Here you can change the aspect ratio. We're going to do it like that. And let's do it like that. Okay, and then you can choose how many outputs it has. Okay, so currently it'll cost me 30 credits to generate this. You're going to go ahead and click on generate, and it'll generate right over here on the right hand side. Now you'll be able to manage all of this. You can download it. You can share it directly to social media. So get creating.